What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Watch all the videos, and let's get straight into this one without waffling too much. So we've got some Adidas shorts in a beige color. There's some Adidas original Trefoil shorts is what they call them. So this pair is very like plain basic pair. It's not got the stripes on the side, it's just plain beige with the Adidas logo. Literally plain shorts. Nothing apart from Adidas logo. The pockets, of course. The reason I bought these shorts is because Adidas do this amazing thing called zip pockets. Very good. It's always useful because you don't have to carry a bag or anything. And then yep, plain on the back as well, all like beige. Same again, zip pockets, and that's literally it. I really don't have much more to say. I do prefer the ones with the stripes on the sides, but these ones are okay as well. Very plain, very simple. Just with some white Air Forces and a white t-shirt. To be honest, very simple, easy to style, casual pair of shorts. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about this one. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very quick, short, simple video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, and take care, my people.